Kushone abantu ababili ngesikhathi Kuwa Isakhiwo Sesonto eVerulam Enyakatho Yetheku namhlanje ekuseni. Abanye balimele emva kokuvaleleka ngaphansi kwezindonga eziwile. Abezimo eziphuthumayo basazama ukutakula abavalelekile nokusiza abalimele.
Osinde kulesigameko uthi bebesebenza ngaphansi kwalesakhiwo ngesikhathi siwela phezulu kwezisebenzi. Uthi uthe qeda ukusuka wezwa ngomsindo wokuwa kwesakhiwo njengoba ethi balimele kakhulu abanye.
So I've done a lot of work in this temple. So today we were here just to finalize our next project, which is granite work. So we were just doing the measurements and the finalization of all what we need before the job can happen. And like about 2 minutes just before I can depart, I basically doing a last minute checkup on the place if it's neat before I could leave. Then shortly after that I heard something rumbling from the top, and I knew automatically that it might be the construction guys was above us, right above us. So I took cover and I ran further into the temple, and that's what saved my life, because we ran further in and not outwards. Because if we ran outwards, you can see, as you see, the rubble is all out in the front.
Ukhulumela umnyango wakwaKhokuthe esifundazweni uthi amathimba wabezinhlekelele abizelwe kule ndawo okuwe khona isakhiwo sesitezi sesine.
They are on the ground right now and they are busy with entrapment. There are a number of people that we believe have been entrapped when this construction site or when this building collapsed at that time. The details at this moment in time are still a bit sketchy. Our teams are on the ground though at this moment in time, and we will get a clearer picture of what has exactly transpired here.
Kumanje amathimba ezokutakula azama ukuhlenga abavaleleke ngaphansi kwemfucuza yalesakhiwo kanti namaphoyisa phenya imbangela.